Hi friends, I am Love and in today's video I am going to be showing you how to add images into Android Studio. So firstly what I did was that I just took two pictures over here. So and then we are just going to add them into our Android Studio. So let's go and open Android Studio. So we are just going to call this images. Let's just wait for it to come. So what we are going to do is that when one image is clicked, then the other one is shown. So we are going to add an on-click listener to both of them. So for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the public void method for the on-click listener. So close this project, then start a new Android Studio project. Choose the normal things and then I'll call it images. And now one more thing which is good to do is that when you just run the app, when you just start the app, then just press this run button after this syncing and building is all done, so that afterwards it won't take time for your emulator to set up and everything. It will already be set up from before. So we'll just wait for that to come. It's almost done. Yeah, it's done now. And the build, let's just wait for this build to also get over. Yeah, the build is also done. Now I'm going to be showing you how to add the pictures. So go to resources and res resources and then press right click on it and do show in explorer. So it has come. Now I'll just go to desktop and open that folder, images. We are just going to copy both of these and then go to resources, drawable, XV24. Okay, so both have been added. Now if we go here, we should be able to see, we can see both of them. And also make sure that the pictures whichever you use, they all have small letters in them and they don't have any spaces between. Underscores are okay, but you can't have any spaces like T space Rex. So then what we are going to do is firstly just I'll remove that text view. I'll minimize everything so we get a bit of space. Then go to palette and search for image view and then project. We are firstly going to have this T-Rex picture. And then I'll just adjust it. Yeah. And then I need to add the constraints on every side. Okay, and then also the on-click listener. So you have also, we'll name the ID as T-Rex image view. Then go to the on-click. On the on-click you can add here image clicked. And the alpha we are going to set as 1. Alpha is the opacity. So if the alpha is 1, then it's going to be opaque, and if the alpha is 0, it's going to be transparent. So then we are going to add another image view. So let me just search another image view. Project, the Spinosaurus, and then just see how it looks. Move it like on top of the other image view, and then what we are going to do is we are going to call this the Spinosaurus image view. The constraints, we are going to set them all 0. Then we are going to set the alpha as 1, so that now it's going to be transparent. And on click, also we are going to do image click. Just check if it's the same thing. Okay, for the T-Rex it's image clicked. So we are going to have the exact same. So let's just run this and see how does it look. Let's just wait for it to come. So let me just let the T-Rex image view alpha be set as 1. So now it's going to be visible. So here it's the Spinosaurus was visible, but it's going to be the T-Rex which is going to be visible. Then after that, what you are going to do is you are going to get the image views, image view T-Rex, comma Spinosaurus. Then we are going to do public void. So public means anyone can use it, void means it cannot be changed, and the on click method is let's just scroll down and find the on click method. Sorry, let's go to T-Rex image view and then just find the on click image clicked. So then go here, image clicked, view. So if you can see now, both the errors are gone. So now we are going to do here if T-Rex dot get alpha is equal to what was it, 1. Okay, if trex.getAlpha is equal to. So before we get into all of that, first I will show you how it will look. So firstly we are going to do trex.animate.set .alpha. We'll keep it as 1 or 0. It's 1 right now, so we'll make it like 0 so that it fades away. And then we are going to do set duration, which is the time, and let's do 2000. Also we have to do trex is equal to find view by id r.id.trex image view. So let's see how this will look. Let's go into our images app. So we'll just wait for this to happen. So while this is going on, let's now do the same for Spinosaurus. Is equal to find. Okay, so it has done. So let's see. So it's faded away. So that's great. So now let's do r.id.Spinosaurus. Then we are going to do, so what is going to happen now is that .animate, and we are going to set the alpha as 1 for Spinosaurus. Set duration 2000. So while T-Rex is fading away, Spinosaurus will come in. So let's redebug this app. So let's click. So you can see Spinosaurus has come and T-Rex has faded in. So this is one of the animations, and then you must be thinking there's a problem in this. So now what has happened is that there's no T-Rex image view. Like now what is going to happen is that now you can't do anything because like there's the T-Rex image view is set to alpha 0 and Spinosaurus is alpha 1. So to check what is that, so firstly what we are going to do is we are going to add a boolean. So boolean is true or false. So we are going to do boolean T-Rex is showing is equal to true. Then what we are going to do is here we are going to add an if statement, and if T-Rex is showing is true, which it is, then we are going to do that, and then we are going to add over here T-Rex is showing is equal to false, because now Spinosaurus is being shown. So let's just do that. Then else we'll just copy this all, and then here we'll keep it as true and set the alpha different. So let's just redebug that. So now it should work. Now whenever we click it, the other one is going to come in, and then this one is going to fade out. So T-Rex faded out, Spinosaurus came in, now it's working. So that is it for this video. So what we learned in this was only one animation which was fading out, but next we are going to learn even some more animations, and then we'll go and make our currency converter app. So that is it for my video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye.